this is the phase 8 warm-ups for Tuesday, Thursday, Friday this month. So those are the days we have switching up a little bit. So all the warm-ups are going to be 30 seconds long. There are a few that are both sides, but they're 30 seconds as well. So the first one is going to be lateral adductor pulses, so it's going to be left and right side. We're going to be on one leg, or on one knee with our other leg out to the side, right in line with our knee. And we want to make sure we're digging the back toe into the ground. And we're going to have our hands flat on the ground, and we're just driving the hips back and forward. We don't want to get too far forward, just make sure we didn't drive the hips all the way back on this one. And then that one, like I said, is going to be both legs. The second one we're going to have is going to be dog to Cobra. So we had this one this month. We're going to be in the downward dog position like this, and just switching between these two positions, down to Cobra, up and down. So the second one, there was going to be planks, so this is just a regular plank. They can either go on their hands or on their elbows. Elbows a little bit harder, but we just want to make sure that they're keeping their hips in line for this one. All right, the next one, fourth thing, is going to be eccentric push-ups. So for these, almost like regular push-up, but they're going down under control. So 3 seconds down, 1, 2, 3, down, and they can go to their knees to get back up if they need to, or press back up. So 1, 2, 3, down, either go to their knees, or they can just press back up. That one, just want to make sure it's under control, 3 seconds down. Then we're going to have cooked hip lifts. So for these, on their back, then they're going to have one leg hugged to their chest. And then they're going to be on their heel or their other leg. They're just lifting their hips up and down. They're going to make sure they're hugging that knee to their chest, and getting their hip all the way up there. And this one, I believe, is going to be both sides as well. Next one we're going to have is going to be toe touch, so pretty simple. All they're doing for this, going down the other toes and back up. So pretty simple with that. Try to get all the way down the ground, keep those legs straight. Next one is going to be alternating, reaching, single leg deadlift. So they're just alternating, reaching out and back. With this, we don't want them to use anything for stability if they don't have to. We're trying to practice that stability and instability. So try to get them to not use anything. If they have to, they can touch on the wall or the rack, but really just try and get that leg back and reaching for that one. Next thing we're going to have is going to be skiers. So for that, opposite arm and leg are going to be forward, and then they're just switching like this, going quick with these. And then the final thing we have for the warm-up is a skip. So for those, they're going to be skipping, pushing with that front foot, and driving that leg up there just in place for these. All right, and then that is going to be the warm-ups for phase 8 for Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday.